Hi my friends, welcome to German for Lazy. Let's learn basic German numbers. Our first word is die Zahlen. Die in German is sort of the in English, but we will talk about it later in the another video. Die Zahlen, numbers. Die Zahlen, numbers. Null, zero, eins, one, zwei, two, drei, three. Not drei, it's a common mistake, but drei, three. Vier, four, fünf, five, sechs, six, sieben, seven, acht, eight, neun, zehn, ten. Nice job, my friends! As you can see, part of these new words are pretty similar to English, so if you know English, these words aren't so difficult for you. Let's pronounce one more time each of the new words. Null, zero, eins, one, zwei, two, drei, three, vier, four, fünf, five, sechs, six, sieben, seven, acht, eight, neun, zehn, ten. Well done, my friends! Now, if you haven't already learned each of these new German words, don't worry, never give up. You can always listen to this video one more time. Danke, see you next time. Tschüss!